Nissan revealed the new 2026 Nissan Pathfinder today, with a bold design and enhanced technology, reaffirming its role as the ultimate companion for family road trips, everyday commutes, and spontaneous getaways. The 2026 Nissan Pathfinder is offered in SSV, Rock Creek, SL, and Platinum grades and will reach dealerships in early 2026. The new 2026 Pathfinder features a proven, responsive 3.5-liter V6 engine rated for 284 horsepower and 259 pound-feet of torque. The 9-speed automatic transmission includes paddle shifters to give drivers more control. Idle stop-start is standard and can be switched off at the push of a button. Pathfinders with intelligent 4x4 include a rotary drive mode selector dial, with 7 options to customize the vehicle's performance to vary terrain. Auto, Eco, Tow, Sport, Sand, Mud, and Rut Pathfinder has a standard towing capacity of 3,500 pounds. Rock Creek and Platinum grades and SV Premium Package, or SL Premium Package, upgrade that to an impressive 6,000 pound capacity. For the 2026 model year, Pathfinder sports updated front and rear fascias and satin exterior badges, plus a stunning new color, Baltic teal. Within the cabin, a restyled dashboard includes a larger standard touchscreen and embossed Pathfinder lettering. Below the infotainment system, Pathfinder SL and Platinum grades also switch from silver to black roof rails. On Platinum, additional design enhancements such as a new 20-inch wheel design, new seat quilting patterns, and wood-tone trim add extra refinement. The new 2026 Pathfinder adds more standard and available technology to support driver focus and connectivity. The enhancements begin with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system on all grades, featuring newly standard wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto SL grade, now features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Pathfinder has ample room for both people and cargo, with 3 rows of seating for 8 passengers, or 7 passengers with available second-row captain's chairs. The spacious cargo area has 16.6 cubic feet of storage behind the third row, expanding to 80.5 cubic feet with the second and third rows low.